In his remarks to the representatives of the 11 countries that attended the summit, His Majesty King Letsie III highlighted the importance of the first 1,000 days in a child's development.
As nutrition activists, nutrition practitioners, and national leaders, we know through extensive research that appropriate and proper nutrition investment in the first 1,000 days of life is absolutely crucial if we want to reduce child stunting.
He added that this could enhance the chances of a child reaching highest levels of performance in life. His Majesty asserted that failure to act now will only exacerbate the situation.
As responsible leaders who care for the well-being of their people and who wish to see development and prosperity in our countries, we can no longer afford to ignore how underinvestment in nutrition is seriously crippling our chances of attaining higher economic growth and development.
Meanwhile, in his opening prologue earlier, the Prime Minister Dr. Motsoeneng Tlhabane said stunting and malnutrition remain a problem in Africa, which cost a lot from the national budget in countries such as Lesotho.
This presents a serious constraint to the country's development trajectory, both due to the immediate costs of the health system in the long term from lost human productivity and its contribution to growth. The annual cost of child malnutrition in Lesotho is an estimated 1.9 billion maloti, $155 million, equivalent of 7% of this country's GDP.
He reiterated once again the need for everyone's effort to improve life.
This event provides a platform for us to learn from one another about what approaches can be adapted to reduce child malnutrition and how to implement them effectively. The outcome of this event will give impetus to our efforts to decisively combat the blight of early childhood malnutrition in Southern Africa and to mobilize our collective efforts to achieve Sustainable Development Goals number 2 on addressing stunting and wasting in children under the age of 5.
At the same occasion, the World Bank declared an offer of $12 million towards improving human capital in Lesotho. A moment of silence was also observed in honor of the recently passed Prime Minister of Eswatini. Rapito, LTV News, Thaba Bosiu.